In a kingdom once known for greatness, the light of creativity began to fade.
The queen grows weaker each day. Nothing in the kingdom can save her. The only cure was consistent creative energy that could revive the kingdom's influence.
So the king sent word across lands. Search for the one who can create endless monthly creations for the kingdom. No one is consistent enough. No one understands the vision.
Then our kingdom is truly fading!
Until one day, a message appeared from another realm.
Summon them immediately.
I heard the kingdom needs consistent creation. With monthly AI creations, the kingdom began to breathe again. The kingdom is alive again. This is what I do at RIRAH CREATES. I provide monthly AI content retainers for brands that want to stay alive online. Ivory whirl with your long for plan lie online. Call or WhatsApp 702-667-7388, where creativity revives kingdoms.